Why is biodiversity important to us as humans and our planet? Look at the picture on the screen now. The picture shows a powerful contrast between two sides of the same landscape. On the left side, there is a field filled with neat rows of vibrant tulips in shades of red, pink, and orange. The flowers are dense and healthy, creating a colourful and lively scene that stretches far into the distance. On the right side, the same area is completely barren and lifeless. The ground is dry, cracked, and colourless, with no sign of vegetation. It looks empty and desolate, emphasizing the stark difference between a flourishing landscape and one where life has disappeared. This image powerfully illustrates what our world could become without bees. A once vibrant and thriving landscape turned barren and lifeless. The flourishing field of tulips on the left represents the life and beauty that pollinators sustain, while the desolate land on the right shows the devastating impact of their absence. Without bees, pollination would decline, leading to the collapse of plant life, food shortages, and the loss of biodiversity that supports all living things. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to list reasons why biodiversity is valuable. Link biodiversity to human well-being. Biodiversity is not just about having many different plants and animals. It's what keeps our planet healthy and balanced. Every living thing plays a role in an ecosystem, just like parts of a machine. Biodiversity gives us all our food. Crops, fruits, vegetables, fish, and animals we eat all come from living species. Many medicines are made from plants and microorganisms. For example, the African willow is used to make traditional remedies, and rosy periwinkle from Madagascar helped develop cancer medicine. Biodiversity provides clean air and water. Trees and wetlands filter water and produce oxygen. Without them, we would struggle to breathe clean air or have safe water. Phytoplankton. Much of the oxygen around us comes from these microscopic marine organisms that drift in the ocean's surface layers and produce oxygen through photosynthesis, just like plants and trees on land. Biodiversity is the reason we have pollination. Biodiversity is essential for pollination because it provides a variety of plants and pollinators that depend on one another for survival. Different pollinators, such as bees, butterflies, and birds, are adapted to specific flowers, ensuring that many plant species can reproduce. This variety keeps ecosystems balanced, allowing pollination to continue even if some species decline. Biodiversity also promotes genetic diversity in plants, helping them adapt to environmental changes and resist diseases. In essence, biodiversity sustains the natural process of pollination that supports life on Earth. Cultural and economic value. Biodiversity holds great cultural and economic value because it supports key sectors and sustains life. In agriculture, biodiversity provides a variety of crops and pollinators, ensuring food security and resilience against pests and climate change. In forestry, diverse plant species supply timber, fuel, and medicinal plants while maintaining soil fertility and preventing erosion. Fisheries rely on rich aquatic biodiversity to provide food and livelihoods for millions of people. National parks conserve wildlife and natural habitats, attracting visitors and promoting environmental education, while tourism based on nature and wildlife generates income and job opportunities for local communities. Additionally, biodiversity contributes essential ecosystem services such as improving soil fertility and purifying water, both of which are vital for sustainable livelihoods and strong national economies.